Hello everyone, this is Mobile Pandit team, and in this tutorial we will see how to use a native crash reporting mechanism into an app. As we all know, we spend month of working on our apps and publish on the App Store. Till now everything looks great, although it's nearly impossible to test for every possible scenario. So therefore, to make it easier, the Mobile Pandit team has developed an iOS native crash reporting mechanism which I am going to present now. As there are many third-party tools available in the market, but having the dependency on those tools for getting the crash report, so we have tried to develop our own mechanism so that we have not any dependency on third-party tools. So we will have a look in detail. Okay, let's start with a demo project which I have prepared for the understanding the mechanism of this crash reporting. So let's start by opening the Xcode. Now here, this is a singleton class named crash report. Now by importing only these two files, crashreport.h and am, our application now able to track the crash reporting of an app, which we will get notified through server also, and by sending a background email to the user who wants to see the crash report. So how this mechanism works, we will see now. First we just review this mechanism. Now we all know that when application gets crashed, then there is nothing, any event after that time from which we can notify that app got crashed through programmatically. So there is an exception handler called set uncaught exception handler. By making this statement, we can catch the exception of having what makes the application crash. So whenever the application got crash, by enabling this handler, we will get a crash report in this method called uncaught exceptional handler, through which we can identify the reason for which our application got crash. So application got crash at any part, any view of the application, we will get the notification here. We have to just write a single line statement into our application delegate in did finish launching with option. Like I have mentioned that crash report files have to be integrated into the app, then just this single line statement, crash report shared crash report. Now this single line of statement makes you to get the crash report whether on your mail or on the server which you want. Now when an application got crashed, on this exception handler we got that NS exception. So now through this object of NS exception, we get all the possible details of the application crashing report. Now when we got a crash, we just navigate the control to this crash report, where we can get the date and time of crashing, whether the device is jailbreaked or not. We get the network information like this, and all this vital information now being sent to the server or through by email. Now as application get a crash, immediately the control navigates to the main function. Now we have to hold the event till our processing of the application to send the crash report to the server and to the mail also. So by keeping the thread busy, we just use this mechanism of run loop, in which there is a running loop which is an event processing loop that we use to schedule our work till the receipt of incoming events. The purpose of a run loop is to keep thread busy when there is a work to do, and when there is work completed, then we just terminate that loop, and then application got crashed, and immediately we get the notification on the server and the mail that application is got crashed, and that's so. Now that's all from this mechanism, and now we will see a demo how it works. So you will see here that I have to enter the email ID on which I have to get the crash report, and when I click on this button, then simultaneously I will get an email of the crash report also, and the report on the server for which I have configured in the project. Here one thing is to be remembered, that this project send email only on the device when the app run on the device, not from the simulator. So I have shown you a demo report on the email and on the server which I have used for getting the crash report, which you will see here now. That first I am going to show you on the server. Now here is the crash report which we will receive. Like here is the app name, crash date and time, the device which we have used, the operating system, battery status, whether the application is jailbreaked or not. Now here is the exception name, the reason for which the application got crashed. Here I have used a function like just for the demo purpose to crash, like here, that self perform selector to a function which does not exist, as you can see in the warning also. So this makes the application crash. So the same thing has been reported on the server like this. Here you can see the checks and balls also. So that will be sufficient for a developer to identify a bug. Now how reporting is on the email. The same thing has been sent to the email also. Here the same report as on the server I am getting from the email also. Okay, that's all from my side. Thank you.